nervous look on your face when you're starting to think that, but we could go